Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a really fun, quick and simple project to show you guys in this video, and you can make this in under 5 minutes. For those that love making pockets like myself, and you like doing happy mailing, or you are a planner or doing junk journaling, this little project will be ideal for you. I have a lot of journaling cards, the 4x6 and 3x4 size journaling cards, and I have had them now for a little while. Some of you have probably also got them in your stash, and I'll show you the journaling cards that I have. This is just some of the ones that I have. I have a stack full of them, and I wanted to find a way where I could make something with them and not just have them sitting around, because they are lovely papers. They're double-sided, and I just didn't know what to do, so I came up with this idea to make a top loading pocket with a side tuck pocket. And you can really, again, make these in under 5 minutes. You could also use your scrap papers as well to make these. So if you don't have these cards, you can certainly make them with scrap papers, and you can also cut your papers down to a 4x6 and a 3x4, because to make the pocket you're going to need 2 pieces of the journaling cards in the larger size and the smaller size. And if it's your scrap papers, you're going to also need 2 pieces of the papers. But I'm going to show you what they look like. So these are the completed pockets. I did make quite a few of these, and you can have these put away when you're ready to use them and embellish them. You could have these ready for you when you're doing happy mailing. If you're a planner, you can punch a hole on the side here, and then that will be able to be placed in your binder rings. And then you've got a spot up here for your pocket where you can add your stickers, your washi samples, and then you've got a side tuck pocket here where you can add your sticker notes. And then you can also place these in your journaling, in your junk journals. You can have these as page inserts and adhere these to your pages. Then you've got yourself some pockets. You can make these into mini albums. You can stack them up like I have here and punch your holes and add your ring binders, and then you've got yourself pocket full of pockets as a mini album, or also as a happy mail flip book. You can have that as well for that. So there are so many ways you could use these pockets. And then for your scrap papers, you can make them into different sizes, just like this. So again, you can make them in all different sizes, and I'll show you a completed project that I have already made. So this one here, I did use the journaling cards to make this one, and it turned out really cute. And you don't have to coordinate any of your papers to make the pocket. And so what I've got here on the front here, I've got an embellishment. And I did a video just before this one where I showed you the embellishments. It's these cute little florals from the Pink Paisley 12x12 paper pad. It's their 5th and Monaco collection. And then I just embellished it onto a banner and adhered it to the side tuck pocket. And these were the embellishments that I'd made. And then I made them into a pack and have these listed in my Etsy shop if you wanted to purchase these. And you can have a look and see what you get inside the pack. But it also will become packaged in one of my envelopes that I'd made with a vellum window. It's really, really cute. And then you get this cute little bird shape that I'd place on the string for the closure, just to decorate your packaging. So you can have a look at that in my shop, and you can see what you get inside the pack. But it's a cute little embellishment. So that is the front, and then here is the side tuck pocket. And I've got in here a cute little 3x3 mini mini file folder with 2 pocket inserts with 2 matching tags. And I'm going to do a tutorial as well on how you can make this cute little 3x4 mini file folder using 6x6 papers. And then, so this is your side tuck pocket, and up here is your top pocket, and I've got a pocket that I've made using a die. I just made it into a pocket, and there's a tag. And then I just placed a little paper flower on the front. I managed to also place some packaged goodies, and these are just some different vellum shapes in the pack. And I've got a bag topper, and then I've just placed a fold back charm dangle just to decorate the packaging, and then that can be used on another project or as an extra gift. So this is the pocket, and it holds quite a few things, and it's still perfect for a flat mail, happy mail, and it's got a nice deep pocket where you can add so much stuff in there as well. So that's the top pocket, and then you've got the side pocket, and it's just so cute. And then this one here is a cute little tiny one where I use my scraps. I've got glue everywhere, my fingers. So this is the cute little tiny one, and I still can fit a few things. I've got in here some ephemeras, and that's a little side tuck pocket there. And up here is a top pocket, and I've got a cute little tiny envelope which you can put some goodies in there or notes. And then I've just got a die cut apart, and that's the pocket up the top. It's just so cute. And I'm going to quickly show you now how easy it is you can make these pockets. So I'm going to make one with the journaling cards first, and then I'll do one with the scrap papers. So again, you just need to pick out one of your 4x6 cards. I'm just going to randomly pick one. I'm not going to even worry about coordinating the papers. It will still look really nice come together. If I can just pick one. Okay, I might use this one. So this is my first piece, and then I'm going to select the 3x4 size. I might just use that one. So I might use this one. This is a nice one. Alright, so I've got 2 papers selected. And then what you're going to do with the 4x6 size, you're just going to simply fold that in half. And then you're going to also fold this one in half, this way. You're going to come back and grab this one, and you're going to grab your selected adhesive that you like, and you're going to apply glue to the bottom of the card. So we'll go ahead and do that. You're going to seal that off. And now you're going to grab the other piece that you had folded that in half. You're going to open it up, and you're going to glue this whole left panel. And then you're going to place that behind the first piece that we folded. And then you're going to have that. And this one here, you're going to glue up on the top and the bottom. And that will secure your top pocket. And this will give you your side tuck pocket. And you just press that down. And that's your pocket done. How quickly and easy it is, and it still looks really pretty, just like this. I didn't match any of the papers up, and then you can have these ready, and there's your top pocket done, and over here is your side tuck pocket. How easy was that to make? And then you can make a whole heap of these and put these to the side when you're ready to use them. So that is your pocket done with the journaling cards. And now with your scrap papers, what you want to do is you want to grab two pieces. Your first piece will be a long piece, and then your second piece will be about half the size of your long piece. But you also want to make sure that it's the same height as this piece here. So that is what you want. You want the height to be the same and to be about half the size of your longer piece. And you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to fold that in half, the long piece. And you can again make these in any size you like, how big you like. And then again, we're going to place glue to the bottom. And then seal that off. And then again with the other piece, you're going to fold that in half. And then if you like, you can corner around the corners too if you wanted to for this piece. So on this side, again, we're just going to glue the left. And then place that to the back of that pocket. And so at this point here, you can corner around the corner first if you want to corner around the side, which I'll do that now. You don't have to do this if you don't want to. And then you can adhere the top and the bottom. And then close that off. I've got glue all over my fingers. And that gives you your top and side loader pocket using your scraps, and you can make that in under 5 minutes. And then you can embellish it and then have fun adding all of your fun goodies inside, and it's ready for you to send off or to add into your junk journal or planners. So there is your top pocket, and that's your side tuck pocket. Really easy, so much fun to make, and look at all these that I've made. And again, you can just keep them together and have them ready. And so I do hope you enjoyed this project, making your little pockets in under 5 minutes, either using scrap papers or your journaling cards. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.